It's my birthday today. Not really having the full celebration, like the full party until tomorrow. But just because it's my birthday doesn't mean I should skip out on the gym and like eat crappy food. That's reserved for tomorrow. Got up this morning, did my usual work, and then when Kaya woke up, she sort of surprised me with like a lot of really awesome stuff. Happy birthday, Mabel! Anyway, so she got me like this moisturizer stuff that I always use. Oh, this is that Bulldog stuff I use. Yeah. She got me like my favorite sweets from the 90s. And all that stuff, this was my favorite stuff as a kid. I know. But one of my favorite things that she got, which is one of the biggest ones that she got for me, was she got me, I finally got an office chair now. Awesome. So like for so long I've had like this wooden chair, and it's like the most uncomfortable thing to sit on. And I'll sit on it for hours and my ass will go numb. But, and I've had my eye on like this comfy office chair from IKEA for a while, for like over a year. And she got it for me. I almost didn't come to the gym today because of how comfy it is. The fucking board just broke. Well, it's not broken, but the battery keeps falling out because a couple of screws have gone missing somehow. So I'm having to carry this 10-kilogram plank of wood and metal to the nearest hardware store, pick up some new screws for it. God, I'm so glad that didn't happen like halfway through the city. Okay, so that should hold. I'm not gonna go too fast just for a little while because when that battery comes out the brakes stop working, so that's just an accident waiting to happen. Okay, at the gym, everything seems to be running fine. The cool thing is the guy gave me all those two screws and let me use the screwdriver for free, which is super nice of him. Anyway, it's gym time. Shoulders. Okay, so there's actually too many people in the gym right now because I made it here kind of late. I don't want to make them uncomfortable by having the camera out and recording them, so I'm just gonna put you guys in here and I'll see you when I get back. Okay? Be good. Oh hey, you still waiting? Let's go. Okay, next day, part 2 of my 3, maybe 4 day birthday vlog. It's gonna be another long one because I'm gonna be camping and therefore can't edit and upload. Just washing some stuff, super quick, and then I'm heading out to go meet Billy, who has like a birthday present. It's like a lunch, he's paying for lunch, which is very nice of him. Thank you, Billy. Also, something really cool is happening today between 3 and 5. I'll vlog it. You won't want to miss this. Bullet, which is like this new restaurant, hotel that's opened up in Belfast City. Not entirely sure where it is. I think it's around this corner. But it is crazy busy in the town today. Almost too busy to ride the board. Almost. Yeah, I found it. It's right here. This place. I knew it was around here. It's just that there's no sign. Well, there is a sign, but it looks old. But it's the sign. Hey, there they are. How's it going, fellas?
Hey, buddy. Alright?
Alright, man? Yeah, has that been falling off for you as well?
Just come off.
How's it going, man? Anyway, I'm Jake. Nice to meet you. How's it going, Billy?
Birthday today? Or
Yeah, dude, fucking birthday.
We're doing a promo for Power Video where Jake's going to be speaking. Visual Waste is a really sweet street artist just coming down to put Jake's face on the board over there.
Yeah.
Along with all of our other creators that are coming.
That's so cool,
awesome.
man. That's so cool.
Yeah, man.
So where are these going to be put after this?
Once they're done here, I think they're going to be on display here for like a week, and then we're going to have them in the cathedral on the day. So
cool, man.
yeah, man.
Fucking awesome.
This is that solar charging hat I told you about.
Solar charge, can I wear it?
So you put your USB in there,
Right?
instant charge to your phone when it suns out.
Oh my god.
It's a bit.
It's a bit tight. I don't know how I made
I
it.
put it on 2. Mine's on 2. That means it almost doesn't fit.
Solar powered hat. Who'd have thought? Welcome to the future. It's 2017. What did you expect? Is that an electric penny board? Is it a giveaway?
This is a giveaway today.
Sweet. So these are the panels right here. Catch you later. Well, that's really cool. I'm just gonna go throw my stuff in the dryer and then I'm going straight back. He still owes me lunch. And I'm back. Stuff's in the dryer. Got 40 minutes, which is good because I want to hang out here a little while because they're about to fire out a drone and sort of bother people with it, which I'm all for. There we go. See, I'm not the only one that needs food. Eat up, Nimbus.
Do you have food without me?
No. Look.
Oh.
Okay, just here to pick up my cleaning, and then back to the Power Video party. Actually, the stuff's still all wet. Well, damn, I'm gonna dry it. 20 more minutes. Back at Bullet. All my stuff is clean and dry. Kaya just had her face spray painted, as you just saw. And Billy paid for lunch. So far, good day. And it's actually meant to be cloudy and rainy right now for my birthday, but it's a beautiful day again. See, usually I hate liars, but in this case, I think I'll let the weather guy go. You're okay, weather guy.
I hope it stays like this for later.
I also hope it stays like this, yeah. Okay, on my way back home, I left Kaya, Jordan, Will, and Vox at the Odyssey. I'm just dropping the board off, borrowing a drone for tonight. Very nice of the guy. He's a photographer, videographer. The link to him is in the description. Thank you for helping me out. So here's the thing, I was meant to be spray painted onto one of those wooden panels, but the guy forgot my stencil. So I didn't get spray painted onto the wooden panels. Today, he's gonna do it at a different time. Am I disappointed? Yeah, a little. Mainly because this sort of stuff happens to me a lot. To the point where I'm kind of like, is someone actively trying to ruin my life? But it's okay, it's actually fine. Everyone felt really bad. Check the cars. Yeah, not a total loss. It was good to see Billy again and hang out with the guys from Speed Motion. It was just fun to hang out in the sun, get my stuff washed, and now I'm gonna go hang out with friends for a camping trip. Great day. You know a can of sardines?
Yeah.
Think that when you try and think of this situation right here. Just someone vlog. Jordan.
Yeah, because I've got the hands free. Is it recording?
Yep. Just point at stuff and say,
I'm
vlog yourself.
Yeah. I'm the only person not carrying anything because I'm weak AF. So there's Jake, big dick, carrying a 20. It's like, I can carry so much stuff. I work out.
Thank you. Hey there! Oh my god, we've been walking in the rain for like at least 20 minutes at this point. My hair has gone completely flat. I'm very unhappy. But we're on the way to our secret camping spot. And that's very exciting. Oh god. We made it. Little campfire already set up for us. That's nice. Oh.
So we got the fire on the go.
That's a lot of fire.
See? And we also have
Hey there!
barbecues.
You can throw the cardboard
So this is actually going really well.
It is, even though it took me about 500 years to get back. Yeah, it did.
See? I had to walk in the dark. I was gonna take the camera with me, but I didn't have enough hands. But I had to walk in the dark. Best birthday ever. 27-year-old Jake, you better top this. You know what I'm saying? So we were just on our way up to the top of the road to go see if we can find Lubomir, and then like this torch appeared in the dark. It was Lubomir. Dear Monuments, thank you for supplying the music to this show, to this party. By the way, come to Belfast, I want to see you. So it's birthday cake time. I haven't seen what it is yet, but Vox has assured me that it is terrible.
You ready? Yeah! I don't know if the camera can even see that. Woo!
It's a dappy little pug.
Amazing.
Oh my god, Vox, that's amazing.
Maybe we'll get me a pug for my birthday.
I'd love a pug.
Oh!
Oh, that's
This isn't a knife.
This is a knife.
See, Lubomir was the right idea.
Like this is like some
Or
Bear
don't
Grylls.
have the pug in their head.
Oh no, this is solid. So very
You can call me daddy.
Oh god. Oh god.
God,
I'll cry.
his face is coming off.
Ooh, big slices.
Big chunks.
Is it good?
It's so good.
this footage in the morning and be like, what in the ever-loving...
I just realized I have no makeup on. But
Neither do I. No eyebrows. Baby eye.
this is our sexy look.
First time in a year, so fuck y'all.
No, that's a shark. I need wood.
I don't think that's gonna light.
I think there might still be sausage.
It's the morning after. Kind of sniffly. I have a cough too, and we're trying to start a fire because it's pretty cold. But it was really fun last night. Morning's here. Morning's here.
Like there's this one negative word. Shut the fuck up, that's Steven.
Just gonna get some breakfast on the go. I think the only thing we have left is sausages, right?
What? Yeah.
But we have like buns and stuff, so should be okay. Thought there was a crack on the lens, it was just a hair. So we were just walking back from dropping off the trash, and Will just found someone's iPhone 4 in the woods. So I'm just gonna hold on to it. I've called the top contact in this phone, let them know that I have it. I gave my number. Hopefully we can return this. I know what it's like to lose a phone. Anyway, going back to the camp now. Gonna pack up, go home, edit this vlog. Okay, we got all the stuff, leaving the campsite now, getting picked up by one of their friends. Who is it, Ryan?
Ryan, yeah.
Thank you, Ryan.
Hey there.
Finally our lift is here. Be nice to get back to civilization and internet connection. We've been in a complete black zone for the past 24 hours, and there's a lift right now. So we're finally back home, and that's the end of my birthday vlog, my 3-day, 4-day birthday vlog. I'm not entirely sure how long this was. So thank you to everyone who left a happy birthday to me on Twitter, and also in the comment section and stuff like that. Really means a lot that you guys, you know, sort of made all these cool little gifts and stuff. So I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. And remember, you can have a great day if you just make it a great day. Goodbye, everyone.